I'm Lisa. I've been a project manager in the clinical distribution department at Ropack here for the past 10 years. We have a team that I love to work with to help support our patients and make a difference in patients' lives. Ropack offers an end-to-end process for creating blinded clinical trial materials. We can offer specialized services for your specific needs, including over-encapsulation, primary and secondary packaging, as well as randomization and labeling. Ropack has temperature-controlled storage facilities for all of your ambient, refrigerated, and frozen products, as well as storage for any products that require specialized regulatory compliance. We ship all across Canada to clinical trial sites using temperature-monitored qualified shippers with data loggers, and we can also offer direct-to-patient shipping services as well. We can also handle all of your returns and destruction needs. At Ropack, we deliver end-to-end clinical trial services with the reliability you trust, the flexibility you need, and the quality you can count on, making a difference for patients every step of the way.